Sawadee krab, it's Sawadee Minecraft! Welcome back, it's your boy here, Joshua C, reporting for you. And today I'm pretty hyped up because finally, Apple iOS 14 beta version is here. And I've installed it on my iPhone 11. But today, I'm going to show you how to install it, and also I'm going to share with you what's the new feature on the iOS 14 beta version. Let's head to it. So in order to install the iOS 14 beta version, you need to make sure that you have at least an iPhone 6s and above so that it will be compatible with the latest iOS 14 version. Next up, you need to go to the beta.apple.com to register yourself as a beta program user and also to download the beta profile before you can download the software. So after you downloaded the beta profile, you can now go to setting and install the iOS 14 beta. It may take around half an hour to 1 hour, but it varies depending on your own internet speed. For me, it's around 30 minutes to 40 minutes time to finish off my update. Okay, so let's get to the new features of the iOS 14. So the first new feature will be the new widget tool on the home screen. This feature is what I've been waiting for, as widgets can really be useful, especially for calendars and also your daily apps usage. But for now, the widgets are only available for the iOS default app. To add in this widget onto your home screen is pretty simple. All you need to do is just tap and hold on your home screen. There will be an add button on the top corner left side, and also once you add it in, you can move it around to your designated arrangement. Okay, finished with the widget feature. The next feature I want to talk about is the new app library. Yes, iOS 14 finally has an app library which it automatically categorizes your app into its own category, like the social category, the entertainment category, the recently added category. So all your apps will be categorized into the app library in the end of your home screen. This is a pretty smart update, especially for someone like me who are lazy to arrange my apps. And now I can just go to the app library and click the search button and click in the keyword, so my apps will automatically pop up. Besides that, if you feel like after adding the widget, because the widget is randomly added to your home screen, so after adding the widget, your home screen become a mess and you don't like it, don't worry, because now you can edit your home screen. You can hide or unhide your home screen. So all you need to do is just tap and hold the home screen. You'll see a triple dot column on the bottom. Just press that and then you can untick or tick, which means you can hide or unhide your home page. But don't worry about after hiding your home page, your apps will be automatically uninstalled, because all your apps will still be in your phone. It's just that you hide out the messy home screen to make your whole layout look tidier. And the other new feature will be the incoming call notification. Now it is minimized onto your top part of the screen. So this one I'll give a big thumbs up to Apple, because now it won't bother you working on your phone whenever there's an incoming call. Although it's minimized on the top part of the screen, you still can answer it, or you still can swipe down to make it a full screen to see the caller name clearer, and also you can swipe up to straight away reject the call. Furthermore, just like the minimized incoming call notifications, Siri has no longer taking up full screen whenever you summon it out. It has now become a power bar instead of covering the full screen. So it's pretty cool for me on the power bar design. And one more feature will be now you have a more dot color indicator whenever you are using the camera or also the audio. And lastly, before I end this video, there's this one favorite new feature on the iOS 14 which I want to stress about, which is the tap control. Yes, now with the tap control, you can use your finger to double tap on the back to screenshot, or you can triple tap to lock your screen. But you also can configure into different functions when you double tap or triple tap it. So to activate the tap control, you just need to go to the accessibility setting and go to the touch and turn on the back tap to set what actions you want to do by double tap it or triple tap it. So that's it. That's the new feature on the iOS 14 beta, which I felt it's very cool and practical that you guys will like it. So if you ask me, should you download the iOS 14 beta version and try it out before the official launch? I would recommend, if you are those who are like me, who want to be the pioneer and who like to try out new stuff, feel free to download it and try it. But if you're those who work on your phone 24/7, well, I recommend you to wait till the official launch, because it might affect your working quality on your phone. So that's all for today. Remember to give a thumbs up to this video if you like it, and also let me know which is your favorite new feature on the iOS 14 in the comments below, and hit the bell icon to catch our latest gadget review. I'm Joshua C. See you next time. Luck on!